They were golden, juicy, perfect. 15 shipments of India's finest Alphonso mangoes, gone, rejected, turned away by the United States. Why? A missing piece of paper, a $500,000 mistake. In India's lush mango orchards, every summer begins with hope. Alphonso mangoes, revered as the king of fruits, are hand-picked with care, destined for tables across the world, especially in America, where demand is soaring. But before a single mango can enter US soil, it must be sterilized via irradiation, not radiation poisoning. This is a safety process, a high-tech system that eliminates pests without harming the fruit. Everything must be documented, labeled, and signed to meet strict US food safety laws. But this time, something went terribly wrong. 15 shipments, hundreds of boxes, were rejected at US ports. Why? Discrepancies in the paperwork. Details are still emerging, but officials say the documentation didn't match. And in international trade, a mismatched document is a deal breaker. A missing stamp, wrong date, slight mismatch in cargo weight, rejected. For Indian exporters, this wasn't just embarrassing, it was catastrophic. The loss, $500,000, gone in a heartbeat. But the damage runs deeper. These weren't just mangoes, they were income, futures, school fees, hospital bills. Hundreds of Indian farmers and workers depended on that shipment. The mango trade is a delicate dance. Each step, harvest, treatment, paperwork, shipping, is part of a chain. Break one link, the whole system collapses. One document, $500,000 lost. Exporters now face an uphill battle, rebuilding trust with American buyers, fixing compliance gaps, and most of all, reassuring the world that Indian mangoes are still premium, safe, and reliable. In the US, it's not just a paperwork issue, it's a consumer issue. Americans who crave Indian Alphonso mangoes may find shelves empty this summer. When trust breaks, markets break. This incident is a symptom of a deeper tension. The US and India, two trade giants, often find themselves clashing over rules, regulations, and red tape. Steel, e-commerce, pharmaceuticals, now mangoes. Indian exporters are calling for reform, better systems, more training, clearer guidelines, because in today's global market, one missed checkbox can crush $1 million deal. But it's not all doom. This failure could spark a transformation. With investment in training, digital documentation, and quality control, India could bounce back stronger, leaner, and more compliant than ever before. One fruit, one mistake, $500,000 lost, but also a wake-up call. In the world of global trade, precision is everything. The next mango you eat might be the result of a lesson painfully learned. Subscribe for more real stories from the hidden corners of global trade.